common problem on surface grinders. It's a situation where you have a corrosion buildup between the magnet, the bottom of the magnet, and the top of the actual surface grinder's table. This situation occurs when the magnet has not been removed on a regular basis from the top of the surface grinder, cleaned and stoned and oiled, and put back on. So not doing that preventive maintenance results in a scale buildup on the bottom of the magnet. And you can see on this one some large chunks of corrosion have built up here, and this has a lot of thickness to it. This is probably about 30 to 40 thousandths thick. And what this does is it distorts the top of the table, or distorts the surface grinder's table, so that it no longer rides true in its ways. And the result is inaccurate grinding and a lot of problems holding size and parallel and flatness on the grinder. This situation can be easily remedied simply by removing the magnet about every 6 months, cleaning the top of the table, cleaning the bottom of the magnet, and putting a light oil on them, something that's not going to affect your coolant, and then keeping that done on a couple times a year, and you'll avoid this situation, make your grinder last a lot longer, and avoid a costly realignment, hand scraping job on the table and the bedways.